Hello everyone, welcome back for a brand video. Today I'm going to show you how to enable your Touch ID for the App Store purchases on your iPhone and iPad iOS 14 and 15. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do, just here you can see when I try to download app from the App Store and it's asking for the Apple ID password every time. So how to fix this issue? Just go back to your phone screen, and then what you have to do is just open up settings app here on your device and then scroll it on, and here is the screen time. So tap on this and then again scroll it on, and here is the content and privacy restrictions. So tap on this and now tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. And now here is the required password, always required and not required. So turn the toggle here, tap here on always required and then go back, and then what you have to do is just go back in settings menu, and then from here you have to search and tap on Touch ID and passcode. Enter your passcode here, and then here what you have to do is just add your fingerprint here. So I have already added my fingerprint here, you can see. And then after adding your fingerprint, tap here on iTunes and App Store. So turn the toggle on for this. So enter your Apple ID password here. So after that, just again go back and open up here App Store. So tap here on this to download this one. So as you can see, it's asking for the Touch ID. So give it Touch ID. So as you can see, app is installing right now with Touch ID. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.